Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us encounter, and that is the challenge of, it's frustrating when you're faced with this issue, but fret not, as we got a solution that will help you overcome it in no time. Now, let's talk about the solution to the key to resolving this is by. This simple yet effective method will allow you to tackle the problem head-on and achieve the desired outcome. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to success in no time. It's important to remember that when implementing the solution of patience is key. Rome wasn't built in a day, and similarly, it may take some time for the result to show. Stay consistent and trust the process, and you'll soon see the problem fading away. In summary, dealing with the problem can be a hassle, but with the right solution in place, you can overcome it smoothly. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Remember, a little progress each day adds up to big results.